So you're thinking about buying a home and just don't know where to start? Hi, I'm Lauren Apicella with August Home Group and eXp Realty. Purchasing a home is one of the most significant investments you'll make in your life, and having an experienced professional by your side is crucial to protect your best interest. With nearly a decade of experience, I've assisted countless buyers like yourself. Here's how we'll navigate this process together. First, we'll make sure you are qualified to purchase a home. Our lenders will provide guidance on what types of loans you can qualify for and what the monthly payment will be, including the payment, interest, taxes, and insurance. Once we know you're qualified, we'll go house hunting and make sure you are fully aware of HOAs, schools, and anything else that could possibly affect the value later on. Next, we'll help you negotiate an offer. Once it's accepted, we'll open up escrow, give them your initial deposit, and start scheduling inspections. Throughout this phase, we will be diligent in meeting all contractual deadlines, safeguarding your deposit and minimizing any risks of losing it. After the inspection, we'll provide guidance on what requests are customary to make from the seller. Rest assured, we'll maintain constant communication with all parties involved in the transaction, ensuring your best interests are protected and that we can close the deal on time. I'll become your trusted advisor, walking you through each step and helping you make informed decisions until you receive the keys to your new home. We might even become lifelong friends along the way. Oh, and here's the best part. The seller covers my fees, so utilizing my services won't cost you a thing. However, I can guarantee that not having proper representation from an experienced professional on your team could end up costing you. So give us a call and let's explore how we can make your dream of owning a home a reality. I'm Lauren Apicella with August Home Group and eXp Realty, and we are excited to help elevate your lifestyle. Make it a great day.